Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Mackenzie Nelson if you are new here, and right now I am on a tour in the Colca Canyon. So I just decided to do the full day tour, although most people who come to Arequipa do the 2-day or 3-day hike, like where you stay overnight in the canyon for 1 or 2 nights. I definitely had time to do that. I've had some like really bad knee issues and I've been a little bit sick. And I honestly don't really have any good shoes. I only have like tennis shoes. So I just decided to still come and do the full day tour and see it. We don't get to go all the way down to the bottom of the canyon, but we get to go to many viewpoints like the one we're at right now. And then we get to see like the condors fly. We have been in the car for so long. We got picked up at 3 a.m. this morning. Drove 3.5 hours, had breakfast for like 20 minutes, and then get back in the car. It's 2 hours to the condors, although we're going to take 2 stops on the way. So let me show you the first one. Now we're just going on like a really short walk, I think like 30 minutes, to see some animals, and then I think we're going to the cross of where the condors are.
How can I recognize when it's male or female, do you know?
It tastes like alfalfa. Our guide was saying that from the tallest point of the mountain in this canyon to the lowest point, it's an elevation gain of 4,160 meters, I think. There's a person dressed like a condor. That is horrific. We just stopped off in the town of Mackenzie. Now we're trying the cactus fruit. Sour. It's very sour. Cheers! It's a Colca sour with the cactus fruit. It's really good. It's a lot less sour than the raw fruit that we just tried. But guys, look at the llamas behind me. Most importantly, I really want to pet one, but they're gonna charge me. Oh, but it's so tempting. Hello. Oh.
You make a small noise.
¿Cuántos años tiene?
4 meses.
4 meses? Oh, super joven.
Hi.
Abrázalo.
He's so cute.
He's eating something.
Te da beso, kiss.
Okay. I hope you don't mind, but I think that you're just so adorable. I have a lot of feelings to unpack about taking photos with animals like that. I may get some hate, I don't know. Overall, I want to say this is their livelihood. These are their animals already, dressing them up in a few pom-poms and having tourists get really happy about them. There's no harm to that. They're just on a leash, just like a dog, just like you would take a dog to a dog show or something. But they're so cute. Like, how can you not? It was so tempting. But I gave like 3 sols, like $1, even a little less than $1, just to say hi to the alpaca. It was so cute.
Time will ease your mind, working out the ways that you'll always be right.